What's up, Stay Ready community? It is giveaway time once again. So, if you're just tuning in and you don't have a clue of what's going on, this is giveaway part two. I did a two-part giveaway and I gave away a Samsung Odyssey G7, whatever, 32-inch monitor. I gave it away. The remaining item was the K1 Max 3D printer, and that's what we'll be announcing the winner for today on this video. But before I announce the winner, I got a few things to talk about. I won't drag this video out, so don't worry. But you are going to have to watch till the end to hear the winner. So let's talk about what's been going on here at the Stay Ready studio. Studio. Is this a studio? I don't know. That sounds pretty good though. Anyways, let's talk about what's been going on here at the Stay Ready studio. So I have created a spin-off channel of Stay Ready to 3D Print. And that channel is called Stay Ready to Review. That is where I'll be doing the reviews. I was kind of mixing tech and 3D into this channel, and upon talking to other YouTubers, I've learned that it's just not a good idea to mix the niches, that I need to just basically create another channel, and that's what I did. So I started Stay Ready to Review. The few reviews that I did here on this channel with the camera and the other stuff, it'll just stay here. And I don't want to delete it because I'll lose my views. And then I'll just transfer stuff over there. And then I'm currently producing new content for that channel. So, along with new content for this channel. Now, for those of you who know me, I know you're probably wondering, like, hey, what's up with the hat, Lawrence? So, yeah, I don't know. Most of the time I do wear a hat. You guys don't see me with it. But I own a construction company, and I don't just run up to big businesses and job sites with, my head tattoo flying around. So I wear a hat. So anyways, so all the haters on here that talk shit about my head tattoo, this is what I normally look like, and you'd never know. So there you go. So just a little update for the Stay Ready to 3D Print channel, which is the one you're watching now. I did get a couple of more sponsors, and I will be announcing at the end of this video. I think I'll be announcing another giveaway. Now, it won't be nowhere near the size of the giveaways that I'm doing now and the one we did before of the monitor, because I can't just keep shitting out money without being monetized on the channel. So you guys have done great. We've got 3,000 plus subscribers, which is almost which is crazy considering I started the channel like 30 days ago, maybe a little more, I don't know. But anyways, I've got to get those watch hours. And because of the content that I make, I like to the point, short and informative videos. That doesn't really pay off for watch hours because you guys don't spend a lot of time watching the videos, because I get to the point and I don't drag it out. So it kind of hurts me there, but at the same time, I'm doing short and to the point videos for you guys, because I know I despise getting on YouTube, looking at a video, and someone dragging it out so they can get the watch hours just to barely give me the info I was looking for at the end. When I get to the end and then I find out like the video is not even actually what I was looking for. They gave me bits and pieces, but now I need to go watch another video. But I wasted 15 minutes of my life dealing with your bullshit at the beginning of the video. And I don't appreciate that, and I'm sure you guys don't either, so I'm not going to do it to you. Now, I'm kind of doing that to you guys on this video now, because I'm making you wait till the end to hear the results and for the new drawing. But I have some things to say, and I know if I tell you now who the winner is and when the new drawing is, you're just going to click off and you're not going to hear all the valuable info. So I'm making you stay. Sorry in advance. But you can always fast forward, I believe. I think I still get the watch time for that. So I won't be mad if you fast forward. But before you do that, you got to hear this. So this pertains to the drawing, right? So it came to my attention that when giving away big box products like printers and monitors and stuff like that, when I give that to you, the warranty doesn't really pass along with it. And if it does, it's complicated on the back end for you to get with Samsung or Creality or whatever about the warranty, because the first thing they're going to ask for is proof of purchase. And did you purchase the item, right? And so because that was brought to my attention, I came up with a better way to do this. And it's starting with this giveaway with the 3D printer. So what I'm going to do from now on big items like that need a warranty, I'm just going to order it directly from the manufacturer or whoever I'm buying it from the dealer, whatever. I'm going to order it directly from them and have it sent to you. And I'm going to do that with this one. So the 3D printer I'm giving away today, instead of sending that one, I'm going to order one directly from Creality. I'm just going to keep that one. I'm going to use it. And the good thing with that is I don't have to pay shipping, and that can get pricey. So generally when I order from the websites, it's free shipping. So it's just one shipping directly to you versus me buying it, coming to me, then me paying to reship it, and then going to you. So, and the best thing about that is you'll get the full warranty because it'll basically be like you bought it. I just paid for it. So that's why I'm doing that. So just so you know, moving forward, that's how we will do those bigger giveaways. Also, I pre-recorded this video because on the 16th, the day of the giveaway, which is today when you're watching the video, I planned it for my birthday, which turned out to be a horrible idea. Little did I know, my wife had a trip planned for us, and so right now when you're watching this video, I'm off hundreds of miles away from my home enjoying time for my birthday with my wife. So it is what it is. As long as I announce the winner and the giveaway gets done, I'm sure you guys could care less. Now in the future, I will be planning these things a little bit better and possibly communicating with my wife. That doesn't always happen, but hey, it is what it is. Anyways, let's get to the giveaway. Let me go ahead and do that. And I apologize in advance for the quality of this video because I had to just throw this thing together. I found out about the surprise trip like a day ago, and I just had to get in the studio and record this video so I could schedule it to be released for the 16th. So there's not a lot of editing done and all that good stuff. Again, I know you guys probably don't give a shit because at the end of the day, you're just here for the giveaway, and that's okay. Alright, so let's get to the drawing. This will be one section of the video that has no cuts, so I won't be stopping the camera until the name is drawn and the name is announced. So let me shake this up. Now I'm going to do this as best as I can because these papers are so fluffy, it's hard to get them to shake unless you bounce it around. I know that's right in the mic, so I apologize, guys. Okay. Alright. Get in there and get one number. All the way to the bottom. Shake it around. Alright. Bam. Okay. Number 59. And I will go to my little paper here. Who is number 59? Let's see. Okay. Stacy Strahan 6642. So Stacy Strahan 6642, you won the K1 Max. So what you'll need to do is you'll have 72 hours to get to me, and you'll need to go on my homepage here, get my email, send me an email with your shipping information, and then I will order your machine from Creality, have it shipped to you. That way the warranty is between you and Creality. I'm out of the picture, and at least you have a warranty that way. Like for sure, no doubt, you will have the warranty with Creality. But yeah, you'll have 72 hours to get to me. If you do not email me within 72 hours, hopefully you have our notifications turned on or you watch this video or whatever. If you don't, I am going to redraw. And then in that situation, I should be back from my trip by then. Yeah, I'll be back. So if Stacy does not email me within 72 hours, I'll probably do a live and do a redraw. So yeah, I'll probably do it live because I wanted to do this one live. But again, happy birthday to me. Yeah, I'm on a trip. So anyways, that's it, guys. But let me announce the next drawing. So I don't know when it's going to be, but let's talk about it. So I have a new sponsor. They sent me, well, they're sending me, they're in transit right now. I don't have them yet, but they are sending me some like hidden cameras. I saw them. They sent me pictures of them on their website and stuff. And they're basically like, it looks like a USB connection or a surge protector One of them looks like a multi-plug that goes on your outlet, but it has a camera. Stuff like they're like hidden cameras for inside your house. I'll be reviewing those for that company. Once I post the video, then I will give those away. I do not know how many they're sending and what different types they're sending, but I can tell you this: I will be giving those away, and it's not going to be a drawing. What I'll probably do is just go through a random video and pick someone who's commented, and pick someone who's commented, on a video. So honestly, if you haven't ever commented on a video, then I suggest doing that. I can't tell you which video. I'm just gonna grab a video and pick a comment out of that video, and that's gonna be the winner. So it won't be a drawing because they're just small items. They're worth about 60, 70 bucks a piece. I think one of them's like 95 or something. So I'll be giving those away after my review because I don't want cameras in my house, not on the inside. I have cameras outside, but I don't need them inside. Maybe you do. And if not, post it on eBay, sell it, do whatever you want to do. So, anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for everything. Thanks for all the subscribes, the likes, the comments. Thanks for all the interactions in the lives. You guys know who you are, the ones who pretty much always go to the live. I appreciate you guys. Shout out to Camaro 45th. He's always chiming in and showing support, so I really appreciate that. But yeah, we got to get the watch hours up so I can get monetized. Once I get monetized, like I said, the giveaways will get better. They'll get more often, and hopefully I'll streamline this whole thing just to where it's more fluid, the giveaways. But yeah, so a good way you guys can help, maybe go back and watch old videos. Put it on autoplay and pick one of my videos and let it autoplay the other ones and let it watch them all through. And I even think if you fast forward, I think it still counts. I don't know. So if you guys want to help with the watch hours and get us monetized to where we can get more stuff from sponsors, once we get monetized, even more sponsors are going to contact, and that'll be more stuff I have to give away. Because like I said, I'll be giving this stuff away. I'm not going to stack it up in my room. I don't know what some of these other review companies do with all the stuff they get. Like, take Unbox Therapy, for example. Like, do you realize the amount of stuff that guy gets? Like, I don't have a clue what he does with it. But surely he doesn't keep it all. I'm sure he does something with it. But anyways, I'm giving mine back to you. So I'm not going to give it away to some random person. I'm giving whatever I get, I'm giving it back to you guys. So because you guys are what made it possible. Without the subscribes, the comments, and all that stuff, sponsors wouldn't be even contacting me. So kind of owe it to you. Anyways, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay ready to 3D print.